13 years on YouTube, man. Actually, I was 13 years September 6th. I kind of forgot. And remembered it yesterday. I was doing another video yesterday, which I completely scratched all but a few takes. So I'm going to show some pictures of that video. Because I had a kid in it, and he was awful cute. I also had a kid in it, basically trying to give me an ear piercing. We'll show that towards the end of the video, but 13 years on YouTube, man. Well, I'm outside with Mr. Kit that keeps on eating the leaves. Yeah, he's got a vet appointment tomorrow. He will get the rest of his shots. One of the shots will be his rabies shots, and after tomorrow, he could go anywhere he wants. Basically, he'll be able to be allowed to get around other dogs. Yeah, and that's an ant, Kit. And that's a leaf that you're going to pick up. No. It was back in 2010 I started YouTube, right? And I basically started YouTube because it was an easy way to share my videos with a friend of mine that lives in Texas. And she started a YouTube account as well. Then, as I started doing it for about a year or two, I was like, wait a minute. I could put an AdSense on this and make some monies. Guys, I am a tiny, small-time YouTuber. And I tell you, I might get paid every 6 to 8 months, and it's only a little bit over $100. But, when that does happen, it's like Christmas, I got $100, man. And usually I take that money, fill up my tank of gas, or just get groceries with it, or just give it to my kids. Yeah. I hate videotaping outside my front of my house. There's always traffic. I did think about videotaping when I go take Kit down to the park and train, but I said no on that because he needs my full concentration. That's right, no interruptions. So that means whenever I videotape, I can't pay attention. Like right now, he's picking up leaves and eating them. Come on, Kit. Come on. But you and I walk back and forth. My video's always been like a video diary to me. That means I could go back 13 years, guys, and tell you what I was doing pretty much on that date, or close to that date. All the adventures Angie and I have had over the years, I got it all recorded, every single one. We can go back, or I can go back and pretty much revisit anything we've done. And that's one of the main reasons I'm doing YouTube. That's why it's like a personal diary to me. And I think it's awesome that I have other people out there that like to watch it too. Now, my last video at 12 years, I told you, I'm going to be probably doing more vlogs and try to get adventures. You know what? I'm going to tell you how it's going to be from this point on, okay? And I already started. This little dude right here is going to be in a lot of videos. Just about as many videos as I do, he's going to be in them. Either it's going to be him just talking about how he's doing, or he's gonna be part of the videos. Yeah, like I do have a video I want to come up of a train bridge. I ain't gonna say much about it because this is a special one. I'm looking forward to this. I will have Kit with us on location, and him and I will probably talk about, is there gonna be a train coming across as we videotape it. Yeah, he's gonna be part of the videos as much as me because he is my companion. Oh, when fall sets in fully, my yard's going to be filled with leaves. Does that mean he's going to be picking up every leaf he sees and stick he sees? Yeah. Well, I'm also going to tell you, Halloween's coming up, guys. It's moving towards the middle of September, and through the love of Halloween, which is my favorite time of year, I'm going to be getting lots of cemeteries and graveyards. Maybe Angie and I are morbid, but we love walking through graveyards and cemeteries. Come on. I got to keep you moving. That way you don't grab any leaves. We love them. We find them relaxing. And also, if I find any spooky things out there, spooky places, I'll get that too. And also, historical documentaries or historical sites, like this train bridge I got coming up. These are the things I love to videotape. Oh my God. And plus, you're going to have lots of vlogs with Kit and I in them. I will give updates on how he's doing. Right now, he's doing fantastic. We did take a a big back seat to me training them how to walk. But as of a week now, I've been back at it. My leg is a lot better, but still has a little bit of issues. So we're back at the training, and he's slowly coming along. Actually, he's doing better to be expected. Yeah, he's doing way better than I thought he would. 13 years on YouTube. I want to thank everybody that's ever subscribed to my channel. I want to thank everybody that's watched my channel. That's the other thing why I do this. I love getting comments of people saying, that was cool, Mike. Or talk about my goatee. Oh, kid's pulling me. Talk about my long goatee, which in the winter months it becomes a full beard. Or they give me comments on tips about kit. These are the things I love, because I learned so much off of you guys. And it's like you guys become part of my videos. You know, whenever I go out and do things, I don't script them. I do tap down some notes so I get my dates and things right. But nothing's ever script. You know, I turn the camera on, and I open my mouth, and how it comes out, it comes out. I've been doing this for 13 years now. Maybe my videos would get a lot better if I did script, right? But it is how it appears. Amateur is best, man. Amateur. But that's it, man. That's it right there. Well, guys, I'm gonna make a thumbnail, and I'm gonna show Kit one more time. Then we'll probably close this out. Well, how about it, Kit? Hey, wanna say hi? Look how big he's got, guys. He has grown. When we take him into the vet tomorrow, I'm betting he's over 20 pounds. That harness we have that we bought him still don't fit him, because he's getting big, but he's still very thin. He's not underweight, no, he's just very thin. So we ordered him another harness, one that would fit more his size. We're still waiting for that to come in. Yeah, my wife ordered off a site that's very similar to Wish. And the reason we did that, because we can't afford anything more than that. Well, guys, 13 years on YouTube. I want to thank you guys for watching me. If you've been following me for 13 years, which I know some of you have, right here, man. So expect, at least until October's over, to see a lot of graveyards, a lot of cemeteries. Anything I can find spooky, man, for the love of Halloween. Ain't that right, Kit? Yeah, and I'm taking Kit with us, obviously. He goes everywhere with me. The only time Kit does not come with me is when I, basically for 15 minutes a day, when I gotta run my sons to work. Yeah, or my son to work. And the reason he don't come with us in is it's the time I think he needs to at least be away from me for 15 minutes. So guys, next video, I don't know what it'll be. I don't know. I'm supposed to be doing the train Wednesday, and right now it's my Sunday. So I'm supposed to be doing that video on Wednesday, so you may have a video come out before that. Until then, guys, thanks for watching. 13 years on YouTube, man. And I still love it. I still love picking this camera up and talking to it. Until next time, come on, let's get out of here. We'll see you in the next couple of days or something.